currently on my way to run club right now, and I'm pretty nervous, but you gotta do your part to go outside your comfort zone. So I'm really looking forward to it. Even though I'm kind of nervous, I should do it because especially in a new city, I feel that I should start forcing myself to go to things. And this run club seems pretty cool. They welcome a bunch of different runners from like all different levels. I'm pretty crusty, but it's okay. It's okay. So I'm pretty excited. Woohoo! My hair is looking kind of intense right now, but I cannot stop smiling because I had such a wonderful time. That was a 10 out of 10 experience. Yeah, there were some points where I was struggling, but it was really good. I'm so glad I went. They'll be seeing me again. Whew. That run took my breath away, literally. Wow. Oh my gosh. Cheers to going outside of your comfort zone and just putting yourself out there. Wow. So basically, I decided to stop being a dead potato and get some ojisha, so I got some, and then I stumbled across like this street market situation. One guy told me that it happens once a year, so yeah, that's really nice. And then I was asked to model. Wow, that was very flattering. I will accept the compliment. Massive slay, yeah. I feel like days like this and events like this just really make me love living in the city. Who would have thought that getting an ojisha and then I'm trying to find Golden Boy pizza, and I still haven't. It's been like a little bit over an hour, but wow, so refreshing, so nice. This random Saturday equated to stumbling across all of these things, and I ended up getting a few random knickknacks here and there, but yeah, wow. Finally at the pizza place. Woohoo! Only took me like 2 hours and some wandering. The pizza secured. Now I'm heading back to my place because it's so cold. Wow, I can never dress right for SF weather, bro. Wow. There's live music on that side, so I am going to that side before I head back. It's so cold, but this is so vibey. Wow. Yeah.